This is an introduction to the ItemSifters API. It's an API that allows you to easily create interactive collections of items such as little search engines or table editors or general just multi-selection lists. I've got a few examples here that I'm going to go over later in this series, but next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the overview of each of the tools that I've provided and how you would go about setting them up. Alright, so this is the ItemSearch API overview. So what it is it's a class that allows you to easily create little search engine elements. To set it up, you instantiate the ItemSearch class and you give it the items you want to search for. Now you can give it these items at the beginning, or you can give it whenever you want, really. You can remove them, you can remove a specific one, you can clear all of them and add new ones. Next you're going to give it a JPhoenix list view. Now this is a list view that's already in your application, it's already shown. You pass a reference to it to the ItemSearch, and the ItemSearch will take control of the list view and automatically populate it with your search results. Next, the ItemSearch is going to take a cell creator function. Now, this is a lambda function that's going to take an item and turn the item into a list view element. This is necessary because you can't just put a generic item into the list view. It needs to be turned into a JavaFX element, and that's precisely what this lambda function does. And it's completely up to you how it does it because everybody's use is different for this tool. Next, you're going to give the ItemSearch a JFX text field, and this is going to be the search bar. Next, you're going to give it a text matcher function. This is another lambda function, and what this one is going to do is it's going to take the search text that you've typed into the search bar and an item, and it's going to say whether or not the item has passed or matches your search text. Now, putting these four things together, the search bar that you gave it is automatically assigned an event handler by the ItemSearch, where every time you change the text in the search bar, it's going to update itself. And what that's going to do is it's going to take all of its items and it's going to pass all of its items through the text matcher using the text that you typed into the search bar. The resulting items will be the ones that match your text, and those items will be passed through the cell creator, and those cells will be displayed on your list view. And that's it. Edit the search text and this process will automatically repeat itself, and the list view will always display the items that match your text. The cell creator is where the real magic happens, and I've provided a couple of examples of the versatility that you have with this tool. On the left, it's a simple string searcher that has just been provided with a bunch of strings, and you can type in into the search bar and it'll show you the matching strings. And on the right, it's a table editor. So each item is multi-valued. It has 3 different attributes to it, and each of those attributes can be edited, and when you actually press enter on the fields, it'll update that specific item. It'll change that specific item that's inside of the searcher. So both using the same tool, but one of them is much more powerful than the other. In the next video, I'll actually write some Java code and show how to create these examples.